Y'all, in this episode we'll be working with chainsaws underwater. So the plan is to cut off these poles right here. They need to be cut as close to the sandbed as possible so boats can make their approach here. And in order to provide maximum security for the diver and to be able to get him out of the water in a safe way, we'll be trying first if we can get him out with the crane. So let's see how it all goes, eh? All right, he seems ready. So am I. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, that's it for our safety procedures. So that's the first one. That took him about 10 minutes. Let's see how that cut went. Nice.